Can't really tell from here, but those are all weeds. That's not a lawn. That's not grass. For that job, we are gonna be using this Dewalt sprayer here. My eyes are up here, bro. 90 PSI, 4-gallon, battery operated. Did not want to do the, got some nozzles and sprayers and such. Then we've got the actual backpack. By the way, I went with this model because we have a leaf blower that has a Dewalt battery. Just wanted to save a couple of bucks to reuse the battery that we have already. Pretty straightforward here. This goes around the waist. This is where the battery goes. Battery compartment, pretty big. I read online you could fit any kind of battery in there. We're working with this little guy, the 20 volt, 5 AH, what is that, amp hours? I don't know. So I can put that in there. Plenty of room to spare. That's cool. That locks up there. There is a battery level indicator here, and there is a little nozzle holder thing here. Oh, there's an on button. That's how you would, it's pressurizing, I guess, right now. There it goes. It's supposed to be empty. I guess it comes with some water. Here's the actual sprayer thing. Oh, that's probably what goes on here. Haha. If you've been watching for a while, I don't like reading the instructions, but sometimes we have necessary evils here. Blah, blah, blah. What's this for? Like, nozzle holder? This is a nozzle holder. You put this on the wall and put all the nozzles. Bam, there it is. Nozzle is ready to go. Pick your poison. Today's poison is all the way from VA, Virginia. This is the stuff my landscaper uses, and he is a landscaping snob. Phenol is what he goes with. Herbicide, non-selective post-emergence weed control. All right. What better way to measure out a gallon than with gallon jugs here? 2 gallons. Let's get spraying. All right, so we've got 2 gallons up in here. If I had to guess, this is, I mean, I have a scale at home, but I don't know, maybe 20 pounds? I don't know, that's gonna be my guess. I'm definitely glad I'm doing 2 gallons and not 4, the capacity of this thing. This is pretty sturdy here, like a hiking backpack. There's a level here. What is, can you tell me what this is? We'll go at level 3. Yeah, all right, we're in business. Let's go spray. I mean, it's pretty intuitive to use. Just picked it up and started going. Pretty straightforward, pretty happy with it. It's gonna make my life way easier that I don't have to keep pumping. And 4 gallons should be plenty. Feels good to kill weeds though. One of the joys in life. Solid backpack though. Feel the weight in my hips and stuff. Weeds be gone. Gotta make sure they all get some love. This is made for righties, but the cord is long enough so that you can use your left hand, because it gets sore after a while. Goodbye, weeds. It was nice to meet you. Bye bye, weeds. It's nice meeting you. January, February, nothing. All of a sudden, bam. Here comes the whole family. Y'all are dry. Y'all need some phenol. Yeah, it needs to, seems like it needs to repressurize every couple minutes or so. There it goes. That's gonna be annoying if it keeps having to do that. All right, I got this last little patch right here. And I think I'm running out of solution because this thing's kind of sputtering a little bit. I was so close. I just needed just this little patch right here. See if I can finish it with just this. Nope, I'm not gonna make it. Valiant effort though. Some for you, some for you. You get some pesticide, you get some herbicide. First impression of this thing, pretty handy. Definitely a tool to have if you're gonna be doing some weed work every single year, which, you know, from my experience, that's what needs to be done around here in the Pacific Northwest. Weight distribution is great with these hip straps. Weight sits right here instead of just on your back. Your back gets kind of tired after a while of throwing the kids, picking them up and down and such. Of course, there was an auto hold down, which I totally missed. I could have just done that, just like the gas pumps, and then just sprayed instead of holding it down. Use that next time. Definitely would recommend a tool like this if you have Dewalt tools that have the battery already. Definitely, you know, piggyback off that technology that you've invested in already. That's how they get you, is the battery. Battery holder is really good, pretty big. It does get heavy, but 2 gallons went by really fast. Well, this has been the unboxing and first impression of the Dewalt sprayer 4-gallon battery operated. trying not to spray this on myself like I just did. But yeah, I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Make it a great day. Catch you on the next one.